New York. That is in western New York, south of Buffalo. Beautiful pictures for sure, but that lake effect snow hasn't gone anywhere. In fact, that band has just been stationary, blasting like a snow blowtorch right across the region for the last several hours. Wow, Fox Weather Storm Specialist Mike Seidel is live on the ground right there in Mayfield, New York. Now the sun is set. It looks a little more vivid when you shine the lights on the snowflakes themselves. But, Mike, the snowflakes are pounding you right now.
Yes, they are. The snow and the wind, and, of course, the lights make the snow look even sexier.
Stops. We've already surpassed 30 inches in Erie, Pennsylvania.